Oh, hey guys, welcome to my channel. I just want to show you guys something real quick. If you live at Daegu, make sure you guys follow this page. It gives a lot of information. I saw them posting this picture, so I asked them where this place at. If you guys can see it there, told me that it's the Okyeonji Songhae part. So yeah, 알았어요? Cool. So we'll be planning and go visiting there with my family. See you guys there.
So we found a place close to, what do you call this place? Yongsan area. And then we're gonna go hike for a little bit because there's a lot of places to see here. Come on, let's go.
Check out that fall, guys. Pretty awesome. Almost there, guys. Look. Highly recommend to visit this place. It's only like 30 minutes away from our apartment. Never knew that this place existed. Aww. Hey guys, we're in the bridge. Old Mike's mom. Cool, right? About to cross that bridge. Here it is.
Gano'ng kalayo to, Matal?
Hindi ko alam, mahal eh.
Wala akong water? No?
I'm thirsty. I don't have any water.
Oh, going back, guys. Didn't expect it's gonna be a long hike. Check this out. Yay.
Yay.
Oopsie. Oopsie daisy tayo.
Ah!
Ay, may isik sa ano mo! Ayaw!
Guys, there's a bug! There's a bug!
Oh no, there's a bug on the camera.
No!
Oh no. Ew.
Ew.
Oh no.
No!
Look.
Oh no! What are we gonna do? Get out!
Bye.
Bye, fly.
Uy, it's coming back.
Ah! That was scary.
Dito ka sa ano?
Ooh, it's coming back. It's chasing you.
Ah!
Ingat pala.
Hi guys, so we're here.
To go to that Ferris wheel, but that doesn't look like a Ferris
It's
wheel.
not a Ferris wheel. I don't think it's a Ferris wheel. And we're gonna go to like a gazebo in the middle of the lake. Let's go!
Let's go.
Look at that small lake.
Look at this lake, guys.
Oh, look at this.
Puro na lang, guys.
Is that real house?
Big,
Oh,
diba?
look at that. Oh, daddy, meron palang light ano dito siguro, parang paint.
Sayang, oh. Ganda sana dito. Mamaya hapon.
Ano ba? Oh, I know, but like once it falls down.
Mamaya ganda nito, oh. Look at this angle. Ganda ng angle dito. Ooh, windmills over there.
Mama, see?
Be careful with the water. The flow. Not too close.
I see a motor.
Hi! Say hi, Max.
Hi! Guys, we're going to the windmill.
Tingnan natin. Sama kayo. Let's go.
Yeah. And my hair feels like noodles.
Max, drink water, please.
What's in there? What's in there?
There you go.
Hi guys, we are here, almost close. You see, we're here. You see where we are, so we're almost there. It's like over there. Maya, we're gonna be there soon. Okay? Bye. Bye.
Check namin yung watermill. About to check out that watermill over there. That one.
A little boat.
A little boat? You want to do the path? Oh, there?
A boat. That's a floating plant. Nice.
Okay. I spy.
I think this one looks better at night when it's all lit up. Ooh, look at that. Ooh. Doon na tayo sa windmill. Watermill pala, I mean. Ooh, look at the flowers. One of the good things too about Daegu, they're all about beautification. Always making sure everything looks good. Oh, there it is. Woohoo! Wow, look at that thing. Check natin to. Check this out. Ooh. I don't see frogs though.
Water. That looks like a turtle.
There's a water moon. Ano ba yung tawag yan, Ben? Water moon.
Ooh, there's a fish.
Seaweed mouth.
Yeah.
Hey guys, if you guys like that video, make sure you hit that like button and drop a comment, and make sure you turn that notification on so you get all the most latest update videos that I'll be posting. See you guys there.